Yo, it is raining out here. It is raining. Just got that fade. If you guys want that dope fade, Essential Fades and Temecula is where it's at, y'all. I'm about to go riding. Skateboard time. I'm gonna stop at Skater Bros and get new duct tape. I'm tired of this, so see if I can get some new. That's the plans today. Go to the mall right quick, get a massage. Gotta love a massage, guys. Take care of yourselves. Let's do it. When it's raining and it's pouring, what you gonna do? What you don't do. Dog, little rain don't hurt, bro. I work in this shit. See this dude right here? That's me. Yeah. I work in this shit. This shit don't bother me, bro. Ugh. Forgot my GoPro, so we're gonna have to deal with the camera, the Note 20. That's how we roll, baby. Look at these trees. When it's raining. Look at this guy right here, running, because it's raining, running. Thanks, boss. Guys, so some dude, some idiot, shit, just ran out in front of me and I ate shit, bro. Look at this shit. How am I gonna get a massage with fucking wet ass pants? Look at this. Dude, I ate shit, bro. What an idiot. It's never you. It's never you. It's always the person. It's always the person. It's always the other person. Every time. Every fucking time. Shit. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. In the rain, bro. In the rain. Soaked. Oh, shit. Fucking sweater's wet. Listen. Christmas shopping. Yeah, I'm gonna get these. Bro, I can't believe I fell, bro. It was one of them falls where you hit the ground, you roll, and then you like hop right back up on your feet, real quick, like real easy, like didn't hurt. Went straight into a fucking bush. I'm trying to dry off so I can get my massage. Cause I'm soaking wet still. This is stupid. There's my shop right there. Skater bros. Skater bros. Skater bros. Pop, pop, pop. Sheep. It's lunchtime, y'all. Sushi Boat. This is my favorite spot. This is my favorite freaking spot to eat. Temecula Mall. If you ever out here, Sushi Boat. The spicy edamame is fire, bro. Fire Nation, bro. That's that lobster and shrimp roll. Smoking Aces. Fire Nation. Bro, it's straight dumping, bro. Dump city, bro. Dump city, bro. It's dumping, bro. It's dumping. It's dumping, bro. It's dumping. We outside. We outside. Yes, sir. Bruh. Listen to that rain. It is pouring. We made it. And the bag broke. My bag broke just as I got in the car. Shit. Cali. So whenever it rains, this is what happens in California, right here. Every time. God dang, bro. Oh, wheels snatched up out that shit, bro. Good Lord. Yeah. We're not used to this rain, people, so a lot of people go a little bit too fast and they end up crashing. Or you got like bald tires, you hydroplane, a little water gets underneath your tires and you slide a little bit, and some people, they just don't know how to control it and they panic and they oversteer, and then that's when the trouble starts. So alright, my peeps, stay safe out there in this rain. Ain't no joke. Drive slow. Late. There goes another car down there. Another car. I'm telling you, man.